Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make cornbread with cornmeal. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready. You'll need 1.5 cups of fine cornmeal, 1 cup of milk, and 2 large eggs. Don't forget a 1/4 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. These simple components are the foundation for a truly delicious, classic cornbread that everyone will love. Now let's get mixing. In a large bowl, combine your dry ingredients, the cornmeal, sugar, baking powder, and salt. Give them a good whisk to ensure they are evenly distributed. In a separate bowl, whisk together the milk and eggs. Then, pour the wet mixture into the dry ingredients. Stir gently until just combined. Overmixing can lead to tough cornbread, and we want it light and fluffy. Time to bake. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. While it's heating, lightly grease an 8 by 8-inch baking pan. Once the oven is ready, pour your perfectly mixed batter into the prepared pan. Bake for 20 to 25 minutes, or until the top is golden brown and a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. This ensures a perfectly cooked, moist cornbread. Once baked, let your delicious cornbread cool in the pan for about 10 minutes before slicing. This helps it set and makes for cleaner cuts. Serve it warm with a pat of butter, a drizzle of honey, or alongside your favorite chili. It's truly versatile. For more great deals and to find the link for the Owala water bottle, check out the description below. Enjoy your homemade cornbread.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.